How to create an avatar on Reddit. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go here to your profile. Then on your profile go to my profile here. Then go to edit and then go here to your profile picture, click on it, then click create avatar. Then you will wait, and here now you can change, for example change the style, for example top like this, I wanna it like this, or I don't know, like this, and then click save and confirm, and right now I have an avatar on Reddit. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.